SC grants bail to Kejriwal. Bench enforces conditions from July 12th order granting bail in a related money laundering case. Justice Buyan writes separate opinion, questioning the timing and necessity of arrest. The Supreme Court on Friday ordered Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to be released on regular bail in a case registered by the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) in relation to the new scrapped excise policy. Justice Suryakant and Ujjal Buyan concurred to grant bail to Mr. Kejriwal but differed on the point of legality of his arrest. Justice Kant barred Mr. Kejriwal from visiting the office of the Chief Minister in the Delhi Secretariat or signing official files unless it was required and necessary for obtaining clearance approval of the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. These conditions were adapted from the July 12 order of the Apex Court granting the Chief Minister bail in a connected money laundering case investigated by Directorate of Enforcement. Justice Buyan said had serious reservations about the two bail conditions but refrained from delving further into them as they were part of the July 12 order in a different case heard by coordinate bench of the Apex Court. His restraint would mean that two bail conditions would now be effective. The verdict was based on petitions filed by Mr. Kejriwal seeking bail and the quashing of his arrest by the CBI June 26th. Quashing of his arrest by the CBI on June 26th. Later in the day, he stepped out of Tihar jail to resounding welcome by AAP leaders and supporters, while Justice Kant said the CBI arrest warranted no interference as it did not suffer from any procedural infirmity. Justice Buyan chose to write a separate opinion questioning both its timing and necessity. He questioned the urgency shown by the CBI to arrest Mr. Kejriwal 22 months after the registration of the FIR in the case, noting that the power of arrest must be used sparingly and is not a use for harassment. Justice Buyan urged the CBI to be above board in its actions like Kesar wife and give the public the perception of an uncaged parrot. In functional democracy, perception matters like Kesar's wife. An investigating agency must be above board. Not so long ago, the Supreme Court had castigated the CBI for being caged parrot. It is imperative that CBI dispel this notion. Rather, the perception should be that of an uncaged parrot, Justice Buyan wrote.